Thanks for calling Northline Garage Door Service. This is Jake. How can I help?
Hi, I have a problem with my garage door. It is stuck and my vehicle is trapped inside.
Thanks for letting me know. Is the door stuck open, stuck closed, or somewhere in between?
Stuck closed.
Got it. Is this mainly an issue with the door itself, or does it seem like the opener isn't working?
I'm not sure, just the door is stuck.
All right. What's the service address?
It's 301 W 2nd Street, Austin, Texas.
Just to confirm, I have the service address as 301 W 2nd, St. Austin, TX, 78701 to 4652. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Thanks. May I have your name?
John Smith.
Is the number you're calling from the best number to reach you on?
Yes, it is.
Anything else the technician should know before calling you back?
No.
Just to confirm, I have your name as John Smith, your phone number as the one you're calling from, the service address as 301 W 2nd, St. Austin, TX 7870, 1 to 4652. And the issue is the garage door is stuck closed with your vehicle trapped inside. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Thanks. I've marked this as urgent, and someone from our team will call you back as quickly as possible.
All right. And here we'll just, yes, this is what appeared is my call, date, time, my name, my phone number, job type, emergency, the address, which was verified by Google API, and this is urgent, vehicle trapped. This is issue description, garage door is stuck, closed with vehicle trapped inside. Lead quality, good, because name, phone, address, and issue captured. Next action, suggested action, call as soon as possible, and the call summary, just 2-3 sentences. Call recording, if you want, you can download the file and see it. And also, I just received an email which I will show you with the job, the status, vehicle trapped. Okay, you can click the button and call now, and also see on the map. If I click call now, I can just call it, and if I click on the map, I can see the location on the map, and I can turn navigation to the address. All right, this is just a demo. I will prepare your agent with your company data, with your data which you want to gather. We will discuss it. Just let me know, email me back or call me, and we can discuss what I can do for you. Thank you very much. Bye.